Okay, I have here a TL controller. This is actually a KB20. It's just one of our demo units that we use many times for troubleshooting and stuff like that. Anyway, so hopefully yours is similar to this one. I just pulled this guy out so you can see some of the items that are in here. First of all, of course, you got to have your temperature sensor connected so that the system will not give you an error. But basically, the heating element. There are two things that happen with what happens with the heating element inside the block. Is one is you have this relay with the two contacts, but then you also have a solid state relay. This device here, which is I don't have the power on right now. This guy is controlled. It actually takes one of the lines, like the power line, and splits it, and then it's controlled by the AC power line. Then it's controlled by a DC voltage, which comes out of this device. So, so the first thing that happens when you turn on the power, the main power, is you'll get, uh, of course, power available to the circuit here. Now, when you turn on, okay, let me just mention this. I have a meter down here, and this is the, hopefully I can do this. Ah, just give me 1 second. Okay. This is the power that goes to the solid state relay, the voltage that goes to the solid state relay. So as you can see, it's somewhere around 12 volts, 13 volts. Okay. So that power right now is going to turn on or close the contact in the solid state relay. So, but the heating element is not going to heat up yet because we haven't turned on the main relay that's down here. So when I turn this switch on, you will hear it. Probably see a little spark there. There you go. So this guy closes. So be very careful. The AC is right on top of there. Just turn that meter off. Okay. So right now the voltage up here is also still on. Just give me 1 second. Okay. It's a bit jittery. Apologize for that. Okay. And as you can see there, the reflection, the 12 volts. So it's on pretty much full right now. So it's starting to heat up the heating element. Once it reaches a certain temperature that you preset on the controller, then it would toggle this voltage. This voltage will come on and off. It will actually pulse it to maintain the temperature. It's actually a DC voltage, and then it becomes a pulse, like a square wave, to control the AC power leg, one line, to the heating element. So what you want to do is you want to check, first of all, that this contact actually closes, that you have AC voltage on there, and then what you can do is actually, if you connect one lead to this side and then one lead to the upper one here, you will see that the voltage will be connected there. Okay, and then this other side goes to the heating element. So hopefully, well, if you notice, if I turn off the heating element or the heater, you see the spark, and you even hear it. It was heating up. Yeah, it was heating up. So that's a good way of knowing whether the voltage is actually going to the heating to the heater coil, just by looking at the spark. Okay, so if you're not getting the power to the contacts of the relay, not to the coil. The coil is controlled independently. If you're not getting any voltage here, then there's a good chance that either the solid state relay is bad, or you're missing this voltage here. So if you're missing this voltage here, then this controller is bad. Okay. Hope that works. I'll just check one more thing. Okay. Good. Oh, sorry, just forgot one thing. This is actually AC voltage that's coming here to power up this unit, and all the electronics is in here. If you look at this there, you have AC voltage here, the 120 volts, and then the DC voltage that goes out to control the solid state relay, which in turn controls the power to the heating element. So hopefully you'll be able to troubleshoot it now.